It's a heartwarming story of a little boy who deeply admires their garbage truck driver. Every week, the little boy eagerly waits for the garbage truck driver to arrive and gives him food and drinks. Their bond grows strong, with the garbage truck driver witnessing the child's growth and affection towards him. When Christmas comes, the little boy wants to give something special to the garbage truck driver, so his mother buys a box of donuts and happily gives it to the garbage truck driver.
Thank you, my man. Thank you. No better like you.